Hello guys, welcome to my video. This is Sam's video, my first ever video on YouTube. Now we're gonna review the gameplay of the Fate Overhaul Master Mode by Tupaka1. All credits goes to him with the mod fighting style and all. Let's get into it. Sorry about the noise guys, my parents talking. Let's go inside the school.
Whatever. You're inbred. If I don't get that game, my mom will be get out of my face.
I'm gonna fight Russell right now.
I don't care. You suck, man. You're ridiculous, bitch. Come back when you don't.
Hey, you don't wanna say that.
That's good stuff. Good comedy. Everyone gets one, Hopkins. Don't do it again. Get off me, Jimmy.
Oh, sorry, Pete.
Hey, looky. I didn't want to do this. You pushed me.
Ah, shit. I'm about to get busted. Hide. No. No.
I make myself clear.
Come on.
The principal has informed me of some drawings in the boys' washroom. Apparently, the sense of detail shows real promise.
The class haven't got changed. They're just the same old classes. Eliminate these. Oh, shit. I need to destroy the floaters. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's about to explode. It's about to... Oh my god, man.
It's all right, Jimmy. I have days like that too.
It's just like a continuation, nothing crazy.
One day,
Let's go to this classroom. Yeah, and you can also enter the class interior
This
with
whole
this
school
mod.
is rotten to the core. I don't see why Darby doesn't want to ally with the job.
Errand.
It'd be a perfect match.
Water balloon.
Sounds good.
You gonna give me a water balloon?
No one saw, right?
Oh, you gave me the super slingshot, yeah.
I gotta go now.
Mga sabon, yan, nandiyan.
I've gone from an obese to a husky. Mommy calls me her precious Prince Algernon. My mom told me husky is handsome.
Oh,
I like your shirt, Jimmy.
oh, they're kissing. Now let's kiss.
Come on, baby. You know you want to.
Hello, you.
Hey, honey. I have something to show you. Salutation. I went right there.
Let's kiss. Let's kiss Christy in front of Gord. Gord. Oh yeah, kiss Christy in front of Gord. Ah, he doesn't even care. Wait, I think he does care. Oh no, he doesn't.
Telling on you. I'm so telling on you.
Why? Because I kiss someone. I just love this master mode, man. It just
Can't wait to
feels good.
My cover exploded. Then they figure out that Ashley Word up!
It's just gonna be a short video because I'm using data and I can't
I can't believe
upload
anyone
2 GB without going outside. So, yeah. Let's end it today. This video. Bye bye guys. And remember, tata.